How to buy MEDVED token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 2 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your wallet. For that, you will use the BitGet wallet. Select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. Now, after that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet, and go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added that called the MEDVED. So after you find it, as you can see, click on it. Click here on swap. Switch from here from the top. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. After that, here click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. It is simple. So this is how to buy MEDVED token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.